Sometimes, when you open your Instagram account, you may see so many reels, and they might not be useful for you. If you feel like you want to change that algorithm and reset your feed, now you can do that. In this video, we'll explain how to reset your Instagram feed. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, down here, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, you'll see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. When you scroll down, you'll find an option called Content Preferences. Click on Content Preferences. When you click on that, you'll see Reset Suggested Content. Click on Reset Suggested Content. When you click on that, you'll see the next option. Click on Next, and here you can see Add Topics. If you want to change Add Topics, you can click on this, and here you can see what type of ads you're receiving. If you want to change anything, you can do that here. If you don't want any type of ads, just click on that, and you'll see the option, CLS. When you click on that, you'll see fewer ads related to that topic. So, it's better to adjust this as well. After that, you'll get better ads that are more interesting for you. Anyways, after that, here you can see the Reset Suggested Content option. Click on Reset Suggested Content. When you click on that, you'll again see Reset Suggested Content. Click on this. When you click on that, your content suggestions will be reset. Now, this topic is over. But one important thing I should tell you is that after doing this, sometimes you may want to get quality content on your Instagram feed. In that case, open the Instagram application again, and you need to search for the type of topics you like. Sometimes it may be motivation, sometimes education, or sometimes coding, something like that. You need to search for that topic, and within that topic, you should watch at least 20 or 25 reels. After that, you'll start getting more suggestions related to that topic. So, it's important to do this as well. Otherwise, if you go back to your profile and start checking, you may see some reels that aren't useful. If you watch them again, the algorithm will think you're interested in that kind of topic. Then, it will start suggesting those topics again. So, it's better to search for topics you're interested in and watch some reels related to them. Anyways, this is how you can easily reset your Instagram feed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.